good, man. Needs work, but
Check it out and see if you like it.
needs work, but the foundation's there.
And the good thing about the stage where it's at, you could customize it to whichever way you want it.
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
for sure. Well, hopefully the pot is this big.
Well, even that could change.
We'll take, you think that could change?
Yeah, not think, I know.
All right. It's like, it's hard to get to, but I mean, it's perfect. Like, look at where we're at. A little nicer than the first place.
Yeah.
First place is more convenient, but has no character.
That's the word, character.
Holy cow. So you really know the owner of this place, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. So we could have like, make it a little higher. And then I'm picturing like, not a Jamaica roof, but a roof like you see in the States would look cool. I think it has power too. Power. Well, this is too small for like bumping into each other in this place, but it's storage or maybe have the grocery going on while we do the test. A little bar area out here. It's cool, man. The road to get here is so rough, but man, it's perfect. I'm gonna have to get used to driving on that road. You like it, Marcy?
Thinks it fits what you want to go.
Yeah, it's not too big, it's not too small. We could make that opening bigger. It might not even need to be bigger. Maybe we leave it and then if we need it bigger, Nick said it's no problem to make it bigger. Maybe storage over there. Plenty of parking. Little chill.
Yeah, like it. Has a rustic vibe to it.
For sure, it's perfect. You think there might be water under here, huh?
Yeah. Actually, just by the way how these bamboos are growing in this limited amount of time. Less than 4 years, they're like 2 years old.
Well,
And legend has it that, wherever there's like a thriving bamboo root, there's a water channel on the bottom.
and there's a spring.
Right on the other side of this little mountainside here.
So doing the test brewery, we really don't need a lot of water.
No,
But if we end up doing the brewery, we need a lot of water, and I don't want that water to be trucked.
right.
So if we find water down here, that'd be like gold mine.
Yeah, absolutely.
Then we could just use the great fresh water that's underneath for the beer, man. That'd be perfect.
Absolutely.
I think this is the best. The only thing is the road for me, but I'm gonna have to deal with it.
Close to the road.
To how hard it is to get up here, you know, for me driving, but I'll get used to it.
I mean, just like anything else. Like you drive trucks back home.
Yeah, but
And
I
you-
don't drive trucks down these roads.
It doesn't matter. Like
I know, I'll figure it
after a
out.
while.
Yeah.
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 You'll get used to it. It's like it's new territory, so it looks far. But a couple of times on the road from Nigel to up
just
here
get
from
used to
Sad, like you'll be like you will realize like it's literally like off the highway and up in the hills.
And you got a guy that's got a water truck up there.
Yeah, my buddy has 2 water trucks.
And then we put it in that tank there.
No, we'd actually get like bigger tanks.
Brand new?
Probably
Yeah.
1,000
Yeah,
gallons
yeah.
or 2,000 gallons of water. And the roof is going to be a huge one, so you know there's a lot of rainwater that will be coming off, so you know we'll somewhat have a sustainability on the whole water system.
Yeah, this is really nice, man.
And this is
Plenty of parking.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I went in here.
Okay.
It's got power.
Yes, definitely.
It's a little too close to put a test brewery in here, but if
Coconut coming out. Look.
so that means you can't.
No.
It's done.
Actually, I put it
So you
outside.
maybe get the shop going
Yeah,
while the test brewery is going.
exactly.
That'd be cool. And they got like a little roadside. That'd be awesome. So maybe you have a little money coming in that way. So, if you know the owner, I really like the place. Let's do this. I don't think we have to look anymore.